Have you ever thought how hackers create malicious files? Here comes Metasploit. This is the day 2 of learning basics of hacking. What is Metasploit? Metasploit is a powerful penetration testing framework used by security professionals to identify and test vulnerabilities. Metasploit was created by H.D. Moore in 2003 and now it is maintained by Rapid7. Enough history, let's do some stuff. Open your terminal, type this command and hit enter. It will create a shell.exe file, and don't get confused. I installed Metasploit in Windows. If you're using Linux, you don't have to install it now. As you can see, our shell.exe is ready to run on target machine. Now all we need is a listener. What it does, basically, it waits for the response. In our case, response means shell a meter per shell type. These commands one by one, we're good to go. Let's open shell.exe and bingo. We got the shell. So this is a simple demonstration of Metasploit. There is a lot more to explore. Thanks for watching.